Hi, I'm Bookie, and welcome to another tips and tricks from AppsEvents and Acer. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use GIFs to help students that struggle to learn when they are presented with large amounts of text information. Animated GIFs can be used to present learning instructions in bite-sized ways and in a timely manner. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this using Google Slides. As you can see, I already have 3 pages with separate learning instructions, and I can change this into a GIF by going to Add-ons, using Creator Studio, and then clicking on Create GIF. Give it a few seconds, and then it will allow you to change the output width to the maximum size. I'm going to change it to 1600, and the interval, I'm going to change that to 3 seconds for the sake of this demonstration. Then click Go. Wait a few seconds, and then you will find that you can then download the animated GIF. Now you can use Jamboard to utilize that particular GIF. So go to Set Backgrounds, click on Image, click Browse, and then you can go to the GIF that you created in your downloads, click Open, and that will incorporate it into your Jamboard. And as you can see, we go through the learning instructions. You can obviously change the time to give students that need more time a longer length of time between the slides. I hope you found that useful. If you have, please subscribe and check out the website appsevents.com for even more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.